What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire. I'm using tarnish resistant brass from Artistic Wire. You're going to need your tools, and I have a ring mandrel. If you don't have a ring mandrel, you can always use a marker or any round form. For the dog paw, we're just going to form the toes. So we're just going to bring this one around. And another one. And then this, we could bring it to the back, flip it, bring it around, and do one more toe. These pliers are good because they have a really fine nose. Push these in a little bit. And then for the paw, we're just going to bring this one around. Try to make it quite small. Bring that one around, bring this one up. We want to trace over that shape and go the other direction. Bring it around. Go up, down, and across. So now we want to form the heart with that part. So take your round pliers, go around. And we're just going to have to rotate that in a little bit. And then at the center point, bring that up and bring that one around. So we've got the heart shape going, and you can adjust it, bring it down a bit, and then just where you think the center is, we're going to bring it up. Clip it so it's flush. Otherwise, you could bring the wire out and finish them at the back. Bring that down so it just sits right in there. Put it on the ring mandrel, bring this one around. And because I cut it short, I'm just going to bring that one around. And then I'm just going to push this so it also sits flush in there. That way it's also still a little bit adjustable. And there you have your super cute little paw in the heart.